Turn your ebook into a full online course using ChatGPT, the 1AIAI method title. Turn your ebook into a full online course using ChatGPT, the 1AIAI method. If you've ever stared at your ebook and thought, this could be a full course, but had no idea where to start, this video is for you. Most people use ChatGPT like Google. They type something, hit enter, and hope for magic. That used to be me, until one question changed everything. If you were the world's best prompt engineer, how would you design the perfect prompt for maximum results? That single question flipped a switch. It created what I call 1AIAI, 1AI that builds better AI. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use that same system to turn your ebook into a complete online course, step by step. No tech stress, no endless planning, just one powerful workflow that builds your digital asset for you. Say this out loud, fire emoji. Have you ever wanted to launch your own course but felt too busy or too overwhelmed to begin? Stay locked in, because by the end, you'll know how to build your entire course in one afternoon using ChatGPT and the 1AIAI method. The big idea. You don't need 10 tools. You need one optimized prompt that teaches ChatGPT to think like a systems architect. Instead of begging for results, you give it structure, roles, and success criteria. That's how you make ChatGPT perform like a professional team, writer, strategist, and editor, all in one chat. And your ebook, it's already your blueprint. Let's build from it, step by step. Step 1. Copy the 1AIAI foundational prompt. Open your eBooklet and find the section titled Copy and Paste this prompt. Paste that entire block into ChatGPT. That's your meta prompt. It transforms ChatGPT into an elite prompt engineer and systems architect. Now replace the task line with your goal. Say, generate a complete course curriculum from my ebook that teaches beginners how to build digital products with AI. Press enter. In seconds, ChatGPT writes a professional framework. Your new optimized prompt. That's the foundation of your course. The 2-second favor. If you've learned something already, tap like right now. It takes 2 seconds, but tells YouTube this kind of AI training matters. And here's your next move. To get my full 1AIAI eBooklet with every foundational prompt and agent template, go to myasbutton.com/prompt. That's myasbutton.com/prompt. Download it, keep it open, and follow along. Because people who learn to build systems with AI are the ones who will lead the next wave of creators. Don't miss it while it's still free to access. Step 2, run your optimized prompt copy, that optimized prompt, open a new chat and paste it. Now you're not talking to ChatGPT. You're talking to your AI course architect. Ask it to design your course outline using your ebook chapters as module themes. In seconds, you'll have module titles, learning outcomes, and smooth lesson flow. Each section mirrors your ebook but sounds like a polished course. Say this out loud, speech bubble, emoji. Drop a number 1 in the comments if you've ever wanted to launch a course but didn't know where to start. Step 3, draft each lesson. Flip to the section in your ebook called the Power Users Prompt Library. Grab the ebook writer agent, paste it into ChatGPT and say, use this to write module 1 of my course using the outline you just created. Watch it build a full lesson. Clear examples, actionable steps, and transitions that sound human. Repeat that for every module. By the end, you'll have all your teaching scripts ready for video. Step 4, multiply your content. Now grab the content multiplier agent. Tell ChatGPT, take my module 1 script and turn it into 5 social posts, 3 email teasers, and a 1-minute video intro. That's your marketing package, done in minutes. What used to take 10 hours now takes 10. Step 5, build your AI course factory. Go to the section called Advanced Techniques, Chaining and Multi-Agent Systems. this is where it all connects. Agent 1 is your outline generator. Agent 2, your lesson writer. Agent 3, your content multiplier. Agent 4, your editor for tone and clarity. Feed your ebook in once, and the chain builds everything. Lessons, workbooks, marketing materials. That's your personal AI course factory. And remember this line, we're the builders, not the bystanders. Step 6, organize your library. Turn to building your prompt library system. Store and version every agent in Notion or Google Docs. Use columns like name, category, use case, and last updated. Give each prompt a version number and quick notes on performance. You're not just prompting anymore. You're engineering your own AI ecosystem. Step 7, add the sales assets. Once your course content is done, tell ChatGPT, create my course description, learning objectives, instructor bio, and a 30-day launch email sequence. It writes everything. Ready for school, Teachable, or Systeme.io. Your ebook just became a monetized business asset. Step 8, troubleshoot and optimize. If results sound generic, jump to troubleshooting and optimization. Add clarity rules like maximum 200 words per section, or ask clarifying questions before execution. Then check the optimization checklist in your ebook, clear goal, defined expert role, step-by-step logic, output format, and a clarification step. That's how you keep quality consistent and results professional. Step 9, real example. A creator needed an 8-module course in 1 week. They used the ebook writer agent and outline generator chain, 15 minutes for the outline, 4 days for all modules. Launched 2 weeks early. $12,000 in the first month. That's the 1AI method at work. AI doesn't just save time, it multiplies opportunity. Step 10, your turn. Tonight, open ChatGPT and paste this line. Use the 1AI foundational prompt to create a course for my ebook. Run it. By tomorrow, you'll have your first AI built course outline and lesson scripts ready to record. Then comment the word course below so I know you're in. I'll feature a few of your results in the next video. If this opened your eyes to what's possible with AI, tap subscribe and join my AI Wealth Collective. Every week we drop workflows that help you automate income, grow digital assets, and buy back your time. And don't forget, grab your copy of the 1AI booklet at mysbutton.com/prompt. That's your shortcut to mastering prompts that build full systems. Because AI doesn't replace creators, it replaces hesitation. Let's build your freedom system one prompt at a time.